Welcome to the GLAC Studio. The GLAC Studio aims at creating a positive social impact by developing unique change and diversity management solutions for individuals and corporates using traditional tools, art, and yoga. My 17 years of work experience with international organizations, traveling and working in a multinational atmosphere gave me the insights as to how employees or teams can be engaged best. In 2017, I had founded the GLAC Studios Adi Yogi Yoga Group for women to bring together women from multicultural backgrounds and support them in identifying their inner potential via yoga. As an APMG International Certified Change Practitioner with Prince 2, I'm now giving change and diversity management this unique dimension, coupling today's effective management tools with mindfulness, meditation, and visualization techniques. In this ever so changing cooperative world, it is very much possible for you or your team to develop your own blue ocean strategy and strike out in a unique way just by tapping into your inner potential. If you are a corporate, click on this link to review the range of change management the Yogic Way workshops that can help your team with change management mindset, embrace diversity, resolve conflicts and crises. If you are an individual, write to us at support@theglazedstudio.dk for a consultation on change management the yogic way, which will enable you to rethink your career, business, or startup goals. If you or your team are specifically interested in the GLAC Studios or the Yogi Yoga sessions, write to us at support@theglazedstudio.dk for booking a free trial session. Thank you.